Hello students. Now today we are going to start practice set 1.4. First of all, read the question. Solve the following simultaneous equation. We have to solve the simultaneous equation. Here two equation we have to given. First one, 2 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 15. This is equation number 1. And second one, 8 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 77. This is equation number 2. This is like the practice set 1.1. So first of all, we have to make proper equation. See how to solve this problem. Let see 2 by x. So I am assuming 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. You can assume any variable m or n, like mn, lm, or I am assuming a and b. It doesn't matter. So 2 by x, 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So 2 by x we can write in this way, 2 into 1 by x. So 2, what is the value of 1 by x? Here a. So we can write 2a. So same way you have to write. So 2a minus this one also, 3b is equal to 15. This is equation number 3. Here also same, 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. This is equation number 4. Now look, this look like a practice set 1.1. 1.1 के जैसे दिख रहा है यहाँ पर नॉर्मल इक्वेशन. 2a minus 3b is equal to 15 and 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. This is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now we have to find a and b. पहले अभी हम लोग को यहाँ पर क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, a and b. बट यहाँ पर देखो ए माइनस है प्लस है, तो माइनस और प्लस है तो हम लोग एडिंग करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. बट क्या होना चाहिए, जो वेरिएबल का नंबर है वो क्या होना चाहिए, इट शुड बी सेम. तो यहाँ पर b की वैल्यू 3 है, यहाँ पर b की वैल्यू 5 है, दोनों सेम है क्या, नहीं. तो पहले मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये दोनों को इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. सो हाउ टू, 3 5 15 एंड 5 3 15. इट मीन्स इन इक्वेशन 3 multiply by 5 and in equation 4 multiply by what, 3 we get. तो हम लोग ने क्या किया, इक्वेशन थर्ड में 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया और इक्वेशन 4 में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई अपोजिट से नंबर से. सो इसमें थर्ड में किसे करना है, 5 से. 5 2 10a माइनस 5 3 15b is equal to 15 5 75. This is equation number 5. Now here 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना, 8 3 24a plus 5 3 15b is equal to 7 3 21, 1 carry 2, 7 3 21, 21 plus 2 23. This is equation number 6. Now what we'll do, here plus and minus is given. तो प्लस और माइनस रहता तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ऑलवेज एडिंग करते हैं. क्या करते हैं, एडिंग. नाउ एडिंग इक्वेशन 5 and 6 we get. चलो अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं बताओ, दोनों को ऐड कर रहे हैं. चलो ऐड करते हैं. 24a plus 15b is equal to 231. This is equation number 6. And 10a minus 15b is equal to 75. This is equation number 5. Now add करना है तो positive negative will get cancel. Add it, 24a plus 10a, it becomes 34a is equal to, add करो इसको, 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 3 10, 0 carry 1, 2 plus 1 3. So a is equal to 306 डिवाइड बाय a. 34 यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई में, यहाँ पर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड. नाउ किसे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, 2 से. स्मॉलर नंबर से ट्राई करो. 2 1 2, 1 कैरी 14, so 2 7 14. Here also 2 1 2, 1 carry 10, 2 5 10, 2 3 6. Now 17 1 and 17 9. So a is equal to 9. What we'll get, a is equal to 9. So a is equal to 9, you can put in any of the equation, either equation number 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. But where you will put, the smaller equation. So which one is smaller? You can see here equation number 3rd. So A is equal to 9. Put in equation third, we get, what we'll get? 2A minus 3B is equal to 15. Now 2, what is the value of A? 9 minus 3B is equal to 15. 9 to the 18 minus 3B is equal to, now I am solving here. So A minus 3B है is equal to 15. A plus 18 है, इधर जाएगा तो minus 18. So minus 3B is equal to 15 plus minus minus 18 minus 15, it becomes minus 3. So negative negative cancel, B becomes 3 by 3. So what is the value of B? B is equal to 1. And what will get? A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 1. Now we have to resubstitute. Where? Here. Resubstituting the value of A and B. The value of A and B we get. So 1 by x is equal to A and 1 by y is equal to B. 1 by x. What is the value of A we get? 9. What is the value of A? 9. And 1 by y is equal to, what is the value of B we got? 1. So now cross multiply. 1 ones are 1. Here 9 into x, 9x. So x becomes 1 by 9. And 1 by y is equal to nothing but is what? 1. So 1 ones are 1. So y is equal to 1. This is your final answer in the terms of x and y. So how to represent your answer? X comma y is equal to, what is the value of x? 1 by 9. Comma, what is the value of y? 1. X comma y is equal to 1 comma 9 is the solution for given simultaneous equation. This way you can represent your answer. This type of question they will ask for how many marks? 3 marks. Yes. We completed question number 1. Now we are going to solve question number 4. Question number 2 and question number 3 same like a question number 1. You have to try yourself. If you have any queries, then you can ask me. Now see question number 4. This type of question they will ask for 4 marks. This light length. See what is the given? 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. This is equation number 1. 1 by 2 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. See 1 by 3x plus y यहाँ पर भी है और यहाँ पर भी है 1 by 3x plus y. 1 by 3x minus y, 1 by 3x minus y. So I am assuming let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to A and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to B. So A plus B is equal to 3 by 4. How to solve this? So first of all multiply 4 into A. If 4 यहाँ पर divide में यहाँ पर जाएगा तो multiply. तो 4A plus B is equal to 3. Now 4A plus 4B is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. Same way here also. What it becomes? A by 2 minus B by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. This is equation number 2. Now A by 2 minus B by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now how to solve? See here denominator is same. So what we'll do? A minus B divided by 2. We can take 2 as a common because denominator is same. Minus 1 by 8. So A minus B is equal to 2 यहाँ पर क्या है? Divide में यहाँ पर जाएगा तो multiply. तो minus 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2 4s are. So A minus B is equal to minus 1 by 4. So we have to same. What we'll do? Cross multiply 4 A minus B is equal to minus 1. So 4 into A 4A minus 4 into B 4B is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 4. Now look at the question, equation number 3 and equation number 4. Plus 4b and minus 4b. What we'll do? We have to add it here because one is plus and one is minus, and both the variable of the coefficient is same, 4 and 4. So what we'll do? Adding equation 3 and 4, we get, what we will get? 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. And 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 4. Now positive negative will get cancelled. 4 plus 4, 8a. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. So a is equal to 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2, 4s are. So a is equal to 1 by 4. Now we have to find the value of b. So a is equal to 1 by 4. You can substitute any of the equation, either equation number 3rd and either equation number 4. So which one is smaller? You can substitute in 3rd and 4th also. So I am substituting a is equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 3rd. A is equal to 1 by 4. Put in equation number 3rd. We get, so first of all see the equation. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. 4. What is the value of a? 1 by 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4 will get cancelled. So what it becomes? 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. So 4b is equal to 3. A plus 1 है, इधर जाएगा तो minus 1. So 4b is equal to 2. b becomes 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are. So b is equal to 1 by 2. We got the value of a and b. Now what we'll do? Re-substitute all the values of a and b. Re-substitute of a and b. Re-substitute the value of a and b. We get, what will get? 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. So first of all, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to, what is the value of a? A is what? 1 by 4. And 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. b is what? 1 by 2. Now what we'll do? We have to cross multiply. So reciprocal करना है तो reciprocal कर लो. 3x plus y is equal to what? 4. And 1 by 3x minus y is equal to what? 2. So 3x minus y is equal to, यहाँ पर क्या मिला हम लोग को? 2. तो ये कौन सा इक्वेशन हो गया? कहाँ तक हुआ था? 3rd and 4 कंप्लीट हो गया था. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 5 and this is equation number 6. Now see, plus y, because our main motive is what? We have to find the value of x and y. So plus y minus y, यहाँ पर दिख रहा है plus y भी है और minus y भी है. इक्वेशन नंबर 5 and इक्वेशन नंबर 6. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे अभी? एडिंग इक्वेशन 5 and 6 we get. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 5. And 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation number 6. Positive negative will get cancelled. 3x plus 3x, 6x is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. So x becomes 6 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 ones are. So x becomes, x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 1. So same way we have to substitute x is equal to 1. Put in equation, we can put either equation number 5, either equation number 6. So x is equal to 1. Put in equation, I am putting in equation number 5. We get 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x in the place of 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 ones are 3 plus y is equal to 4. So y becomes 4, a plus 3 इधर जाएगा तो minus 3. Y is equal to 1. So we got the value of x and we got the value of y. So how to represent your answer? X comma y is equal to 1 comma 1 is the solution for given simultaneous equation. So this type of question they will ask for 4 marks. So I have done 2 sums for this exercise, and remaining 2 sums you have to solve by yourself. Thank you.